Greetings. In this video I want to show you how to take a snapshot of the screen on any Google Pixel phone. Doesn't matter if you have the Google Pixel 8, 8a, 9, or the new 10 that has just came out, the Google Pixel 10. It's a fairly simple thing to do. The only thing you have to do is hold down the power button and the down button simultaneously at the same time. So let's go ahead and hold that down, and then I'm going to take my middle finger and I'm going to hold these down at the same time, and you'll see there it'll click a picture. It'll go click. Go ahead and click that up, and there is my screenshot. If we go to YouTube, let's go ahead and back out. If we go to YouTube, for example, I'll go power button, down button. There you go. And that is how you take a screenshot. Alright, in the comment section, tell me which Google Pixel that you have, if you got the 8, the 10, whatever you have, and then also let me know how you like it, and do you like it better than Samsung Galaxy, if you've ever tried the Galaxy, or even an iPhone, and let me know what version phone that you have. The one reason I got this phone is because I like how the Pixel takes pictures and videos. I love it. I think it's better quality than even the Samsung Galaxy. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe.